Bill. And I made some Mongolian beef the other day. It turned out really well. And I was like, hey, I went to the store and they had these really nice northern, cold water lobster tails on sale. So I snatched some and I'm going to try and make it with Mongolian lobster. I don't know, we'll call it that. Anyway, got a nice hot pan with some canola oil in here. And an onion I kind of wedged up. Oh yeah, we just want to get some, soften this baby up. Obviously at the price of lobster, this isn't going to be a huge meal. This could be a side, we'll go with something else. But I just want to show you how easy this really can be. So I just want to let these onions start to turn color. Then we start adding all the other stuff into it. You can always tell, I did this in kind of wedges, and as it softens, they fall apart. And it'll just start to turn color. It's just about when they're done. Getting there real quick, man. Let's be sizzling. Yeah. Just gonna start to get that color. Oh yeah, it's getting brown now. I don't want to ruin these. I just want to get a little edge brown on them. So I'm going to call this stage 1 done. So we're going to get a little color. I need some soy sauce. Don't be shy. Gives it a pretty color. And a good smell. Okay, got me a little bit of ginger paste. I want about a teaspoon, just one, boom. That was kind of shy a teaspoon. Yeah, that's fine. One more. Boop. Beautiful. Alright, so I got a couple other things here going on. I got a little hoisin sauce. It's going to kind of thicken and, ooh, there's so much. I want about a tablespoon. I think we did that. And I want a little oyster sauce, which is a little thicker. And I want to get about a tablespoon. A little more tablespoon out. Get that mixed real quick. Now, before this gets all carried away, show you. Just took 2 lobster tails, good sized ones. I want to get them in here so they can cook, or my onion gets all trashed. It smells really good. Now, got a couple more things going on here. I want some of my chili garlic sauce. About a tablespoon, because it's going to get the garlicky. Alright, I had to add a little more. You know me. This is flavor abound, right? I just like that chili garlic sauce because, you know, you get a little vinegary to it. I know a lot of places put, you know, sugar in a lot of the recipes to kind of give it a little snap. I like to keep it on the vinegary side, less sweet. Beautiful now. So for flavor, last thing I'm going to do is I got some sesame oil. Just want to drizzle it all over, just a couple splashes. I love the way that just adds to it. And I just had to put a little more soy sauce, right? Boom, boom, boom. I had a green onion, remember? White part you cut, and the big green stems, real big chunks. Just enough to coat it. I want the scallion, green onion, whatever you want to call it, just to get coated. Let's get this turned off. So it's just going to mix in here in the heat. Unfortunately, I'm so hungry I could eat the whole thing myself. I cooked some rice and ended up using it all. So I dug around, found I had some little container lo mein, just plain lo mein in the freezer. So I thawed it out. Just want to get that consistency. Good. That just looked great. Just microwave me a little lo mein. Just want to get a little bit of all this good onion and lobster and green stuff on here. And I know this isn't really Mongolian, but it kind of has the basis to it, so I can call it that. But whatever you want to call it, it's just pretty darn good. Okay. Not a whole lot of prep time. Comes out looking real nice. Tastes even better. Something you gotta try. Okay, trust me, you'll be really thrilled. Anyway, I want to do some really quick stuff, and of course I'm doing a whole series of good soups for cold weather because it is still freezing out. And I'll see you back with some more recipes. I want you to have a great day. Keep subscribing, watching, get all your friends and neighbors to subscribe. And, let's get me monetized. Come on, it's been a lot of years. Anyway, have a great day. I'll see you later.